Hello traders, it's Tun Alpan here, founder of Master Markets A-Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on this particular trade that we caught on the live trading webinar. Remember this money bar strategy, traders, that I talked about? You look for the last swing, which is a swing high here as quantified by our smart money indicator. Now we are looking to capture a swing low. Remember in the live trading webinar, I looked at this basically, and we said that this could be a potential swing bar. But however, then the next thing that we then look for is the 10 trending bars. Remember that? So we do need a swing high, then we need a PSWB, we need a 10 trending bars, and then finally a PSWB. And we did have this as a PSWB, even though it was a red bar. Remember this indicator by Jens, remember? I said that by an elite trader, and he designed this indicator is more than 0.5 over here. And you can see there's a PSWB over here, even though it's a red bar because it's close above his mid-range. However, there was only 9 trending bars. Do you remember this as well? Traders who were on the live trading webinar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 instead of 10. But however, I said we can take a look at this because there was an additional bonus. If you take a look at this, it's 2 PSWBs in a row. 2 PSWBs in a row. That's a really good pattern that you can look for because stops have been taken out twice. Okay, that's what we are looking at. That's why we entered. So stay on the lookout for this particular trade. As of now, we are in profit because we entered it around here, remember? And then we also scaled in on the high as well. So we're in a little bit of profit over here. Unrealized profit, still not exited it yet, right? So that's how we do it professionally. And you can see that we are now going in our favor. And you can see we're looking to capture the bottom and we're looking to see an arrow pop up according to our quantification, where we will take out a certain part of our position. All our live trading members are all on this trade. And these are kind of the strategy that we are going to be looking at on the Traders Basecamp live workshop, which is included in the Traders Basecamp package. Okay, that's what I talked about in live trading webinar. So we look forward, the team over here looks forward to see you at Traders Basecamp. All right. So here you can see that we just pride ourselves in price action trading. It's pure price action only. And you saw how we build all those things just based on pure price to capture a bottom in real time, not hindsight trading, real time that we are looking at. That's what we are well known for: price action, transparency, and spreading the truth of trading. So here we are on the trade that we caught on the live trading webinar. You attendees are witnesses to that. We caught this euro dollar based on the money bar strategy. So based on basically a last swing high, confirming, looking to capture a low, 10 trending bars and a PSWB. This red bar is a PSWB, and those of you who attended the live trading webinar will know and understand that. I've gone through it in the previous video as well. And you can see now it's steadily climbing. We are just a little bit under 1,000 pounds, 732 pounds. And we did place this on a different account as well. And you can see over here as well, we're just under 2,000 pounds over there. 1,740 on euro dollar and a little bit on the dollar yen at the moment, all based on similar concepts. And we'll be going through so much of this kind of concepts and so many similar strategies like this in the Traders Basecamp package and in our Traders Basecamp live workshop. We look forward to seeing you guys there. Okay, that's all for me for now. And as we always say, till the next time, traders, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.